Harassment is a serious issue that affects many people, impacting their mental and emotional well-being. It can happen anywhere from school to work to online, and it can take many forms, including verbal, physical, and cyber harassment. No one should have to put up with harassment, and it's crucial to recognize the signs early. If you are being harassed, you have rights. Legal protections are in place to help you. This essay will explain what harassment is, how to identify it, and how the law can protect you from it. Knowing your options can help you stop the harassment and get justice. Documenting incidents and seeking legal advice are key steps. It is important to remember that you are not alone. Support groups and counseling can provide emotional support. Harassment is unfortunately common, and many resources are available to help, including hotlines, legal aid, and online forums. By understanding your legal rights, you can take steps to protect yourself and hold the harasser accountable. Empower yourself with knowledge and take action. Harassment is unwanted behavior that makes you feel threatened, humiliated, or uncomfortable. It can be based on things like your race, religion, gender, or sexual orientation. It is important to remember that what you find offensive is what matters. Verbal harassment includes insults, threats, and offensive jokes. Physical harassment involves unwanted touching, hitting, or shoving. Visual harassment can include displaying offensive images or making rude gestures. Harassment is not just annoying, it can have a serious impact on your life. Victims of harassment often experience emotional distress, anxiety, and depression. They may have trouble sleeping, concentrating, or even leaving their homes. Harassment can also affect your work or school performance. It can damage your relationships and make you feel isolated and alone. Seeking help from a therapist or counselor can provide support and guidance during a difficult time. Section 4. The law is on your side. Federal and state protections. Both federal and state laws protect individuals from harassment. These laws prohibit harassment based on protected characteristics, such as race, color, religion, sex, including pregnancy, national origin, age, 40 or older, disability, or genetic information. These laws apply to various settings, including employment, housing, education, and public accommodations. They provide legal remedies for victims of harassment, including the right to file a lawsuit against the harasser. Section 5. Taking action. How to file a harassment lawsuit. If you have been harassed, you may be able to file a lawsuit against the person or organization responsible. This legal action can be a crucial step in seeking justice and holding the harasser accountable for their actions. Filing a lawsuit can help you get compensation for your damages, such as emotional distress, lost wages, and medical expenses. It can also serve as a deterrent to prevent future harassment. To file a lawsuit, you will need to gather evidence of the harassment, such as emails, text messages, or witness statements. This evidence is crucial in proving your case and demonstrating the impact of the harassment on your life. It is also important to document each instance of harassment, noting the date, time, location, and witnesses present. Keeping a detailed record can strengthen your case and provide a clear timeline of events. Consulting with an experienced attorney can guide you through the legal process, ensuring that you take the right steps to protect your rights and achieve a favorable outcome. Section 6. Employer's duty, preventing and addressing harassment. Employers have a legal responsibility to provide a workplace free from harassment and discrimination. They should have clear policies against harassment and provide regular training to their employees. If an employer knows about harassment and does nothing to stop it, they can be held legally liable. Employers are also required to investigate harassment claims promptly, thoroughly, and take appropriate action. Section 7. Conclusion. You don't have to suffer in silence. Harassment is a serious problem, but you don't have to suffer in silence. It's important to recognize that there are resources and people ready to support you. By understanding your legal rights and seeking support, you can take steps to stop the harassment and reclaim your life. Legal professionals can guide you through the process, ensuring you know your options. Remember that you are not alone, and there are people who can help. Support groups and counseling services are available to provide emotional and practical assistance. If you are being harassed, reach out to a trusted friend, family member, or legal professional. They can offer the support and guidance you need to navigate this difficult time. You deserve to feel safe and respected. Taking action is the first step towards a brighter, more secure future.